New concussion concerns tonight coming from the American Academy of Neurology. Doctors are calling for more baseline testing, better education, and mandatory reporting. We're taking action for your health tonight with what you need to know to keep your student athletes safe.
A concussion is in most simple terms, basically a brain injury usually caused by trauma, which leads to a metabolic injury in the brain. So the brain is eventually trying to heal itself.
Dr. Jonathan Phillips supports the American Academy of Neurology's new position papers on concussions.
They're very important recommendations because they deal with not only the health of the athlete, but also education of the whole team that's going to be needed in order to treat them as well.
The recommendations include a call for more baseline computer testing, which Dr. Phillips is already doing here with high school athletes in Pasco County. The test measures memory, reaction times, and function.
We try and get all of our athletes tested with baseline testing initially, so that there is some objective data that we can work off of if an injury were to occur. And if an injury were to occur, we treat them using the same concussion tools.
Andres Perez, the head football coach at Steinbrenner High School, says his coaches all go through concussion training, but he says their partnership with USF is what's really helping.
We have an athletic trainer that comes and does the baseline testing that we've talked about, and she has information on every single kid, so the second something happens, she's the first one in line.
Here in the state of Florida, there is a 6-step process before a student athlete can return to play. The first step is to rest until symptoms go away. Then you'll go through a series of 4 tests. They get harder each time, and you have to remain symptom-free. Finally, you have to go back to your doctor and be cleared for play. Other recommendations from the report released today: educating parents and their families about the signs of concussion, and even developing a national concussion registry with mandatory reporting. If your school doesn't offer baseline testing, Florida Hospital in Wesley Chapel does, and some insurance companies cover the testing. For more information, head over to my Facebook page, look for Linda Hurtado WFTS under Pages, and like the page.